Hello guys, it's your boy Fixed again. I'm from the dealership right now, and I've just received my Pitaka. This is the sunrise version. I've been using the moonrise version for the past 2 months, so I'm going to do the unboxing of this sunrise Pitaka MagZ cover. And by the end of the video, I'm going to compare which one looks more fine, which one looks so nice among the two, between the Pitaka moonrise and the Pitaka sunrise version. So let us do the unboxing of this cover. So yes guys, so let us go on with our unboxing. Let me first remove this boxing. So here is it. Here we have our Galaxy S24ultra Pitaka. It is a caseless thin MagZ safe. This is the sunlight version, or sunset. This is the sunset version. So this is our casing. This is the Pitaka MagZ cover. It comes with nothing much in the box. It is made of aluminum fiber. So this is our casing. It is made of aluminum fiber. It is a really strong casing. It is a really nice casing, guys. Wow. So this is our casing. This is the sunset version. This is the moonrise version. These casing are so nice. Look at how beautiful this is. These are the original Pitaka Galaxy S24ultra casings. So there we go. We're going to remove our phone from the Pitaka moonrise, and we're going to slap in our new Pitaka sunset casing. Hear the sound. Wow. So there we go. There we go. This is the new Pitaka Galaxy S24ultra casing. The feeling is so nice. Hear the sound. Wow. When you try to look side by side, these covers are really so nice. Both of them have a really unique and texture feeling. Both the covers look so nice, but for me, I really prefer the sunset MagZ cover, just because I prefer the reddish brown